Hi there, my name is Lucas. I'm one of the customer specialists here at Walser Nissan Coon Rapids. Today I'm outside the new 2022 Nissan Rogue. Just want to take a moment, hop in and show you what it's like to engage and experience the ProPilot Assist steering technology in the new Nissan Rogue. Alrighty, so now that we're in the car, we're on the highway. We're going to go ahead and get up to speed here, merging safely using our blinker. Alright, now that we are on the road to get to the speed limit, what we're going to do to activate the ProPilot Assist is we're going to press this blue button on the steering wheel. On the Rogue, it's going to be on the right-hand side here. Once you press that, you'll notice that the system turns on, so now it's ready to go. So what you want to do is set your speed just like normal cruise control. So this cancel button, we're going to flick that down like a light switch, and you'll see our intelligent cruise control is now activated. And then we have a steering response button you can toggle on and off. We'll keep it on for right now. You heard the chime. You'll see up in the top right, we have our following distance set, speed is set, and then there's also the green steering wheel button. And so what that's doing is the camera on the top of the windshield, it's assessing if we're in our lane based on the lane markings, and it will now keep us centered in our lane. It is a semi-autonomous driving system, so we do have to keep our hands on the wheel, but it is minimal effort. The whole point of this is to reduce fatigue while we're driving, so we don't have to worry about having full control and steering, because we have the steering assist. So we'll approach a curve up here shortly, and you can see the steering wheel work on its own independently as we go through this turn with minimal input from me. And again, just like regular cruise, my foot is off the brake and off of the gas, not doing anything. And then I can adjust my following distance as well here. So right now we're on the shortest distance. All right, and so as you can see, as we go through the curve here, hands are on the wheel, but I'm not adjusting it at all. It's keeping us nice and centered in our lane. Very, very crazy. Very awesome convenience feature here, keeping a nice safe following distance and keeping us in our lane. Again, this is Lucas going over ProPilot Assist, one of my favorite safety technologies that Nissan offers. If you have any questions or need some more information on the Nissan Rogue or any vehicle in our lineup, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at walsernissancoonrapids.com. Thanks so much for watching.